The basic bounce is the most fundamental of all jump rope steps. Here you see Shana Brady from Punk Rope performing it, and I'm Tim Haft, the founder of Punk Rope, and in this video we're going to cover everything related to the basic bounce. So as with all jump rope steps, especially if they're new, a good way to start is with no rope. So Shana's ditched her rope. She's in good jump rope posture. Soft ankles, knees, hips, elbows into the ribs, looking out at eye level. She's now adding that light and low bounce and turning her wrists to mimic the turn of the rope. And folks, that is the basic bounce. It's really simple. So step 2 would be pick up your rope, fold it in half, once again get into good jump rope posture, and now you've got the turn to the side. This is Shana's dominant arm, and you got the turn to the other side. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit, and so we've got the side view. And this is just to get the feel of the step and the turn without having to worry about tripping. And once you've done that, next step is try and jump through the rope. So here's the side view of the basic bounce. Shana's got her hands slightly forward of her hips. The rope is striking the ground about a foot in front. Plenty of clearance over her head. And nothing fancy, just a good fundamental jump rope step that basically everything else works off of. So now we want to add a few challenges. So rotation will be the first. Shana's performing the basic bounce. The only difference is she is now subtly turning her toes and her hips and using her core to try and complete a circle. And most people will have a preferred direction to go in, but it's good to try both directions, and it's okay if you miss, no big deal. The typical mistake is to try and turn too much too soon, and if you do that you might get your foot caught on the rope, but Shana's doing an awesome job. Fantastic. Yeah, so here's the mistake. There you go. It's just trying to turn too quickly and too far, and the rope will get caught. So this is a great exercise to work on your rope control and your body awareness and body control. Now the next challenge we want to show you is turning forward but hopping backwards. So it's still the basic bounce. Yeah, it's going to start here, and then Shana's going to back up, and you can see she's moving maybe 3-4 inches at a time, and then likewise moving forward.
I'll show it from the side.
And okay, we'll get a side view. Look at this, is a bonus, guys. There's backing up, and there is coming forward. And then the last challenge that we want to show you, Shana will face forward, and this will be the basic bounce but with very small lateral hops. So she'll be going in one direction. Okay, she's going to go to her right, and then she's going to her left. And again, this is about body awareness and control, rope control, nothing too fancy. In another video we'll show you the side slide and the skier and some more advanced steps, but for now this should suffice. This is going to be your bread and butter step. Almost everyone starts to jump with the basic bounce, but now you've got some nice variations. You have rotation, you have jumping backward, you have jumping forward, you have jumping laterally. And this is a backward turn, and we're gonna leave that for another video because that's a different skill altogether, but a good one to have. So there you have it, guys, the basic bounce. Keep practicing it because it's a step you're going to want to come back to over and over and over. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. Visit us at punkrope.com. If you have questions or comments, feel free to include them below, and we will answer them as quickly as we can. We'll see you next time.